What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got a BMW valve cover today. It's going to be in yellow with some sparkles, and then a set of wheels doing in gold. Actually have some other stuff I'm going to be doing today and recording. It's not going to be in this video. It's going to be just some random shop improvements and new oven, stuff like that. Yeah, I guess let's get started. Alright, got this cover all blasted and outgassed. I figured I'd show you. So part of the thing that outgassing does is it pulls stuff like this out of the metal. This is all oil that has now bled out after it got hot. It's really the whole thing that outgassing does. It pulls out other impurities that you can't see nearly as well, but you get the idea. So I did this, I outgassed this for way longer than necessary. I'm gonna go back now and blast it and get it masked off. These magnesium covers from BMW, I mean, they're terrible. The casting on them is just crap, as you can see. So I'll go through and sand a lot of this out, sand a lot of these random imperfections and stuff out, just to give it a little bit better look. This is going a 2-stage, so it's gonna hide a lot of that anyway, but we'll go over it and make sure it's all pretty so the customer's happy. I ended up going over all of this with a DA, got rid of a lot of the casting issues. It's like the customer maybe ground down a few areas on this particular cover, but got most of the visible areas knocked down. So I'm gonna go blast it one more time, get it all ready for powder. Unfortunately, I missed shooting a bunch of this. It was a problem with the gimbal, as you might have seen already in this footage, and then had a couple people stop by, so I just couldn't record. I was talking to them while I was working, but got this done. It's was this hot yellow with, I think it was Adam's gold top coat. So came out pretty good. I think customers are going to be through tonight to pick it up, so another project done. All right, so figured I would show you wheels before and after blasting. So these wheels have been chemically stripped to remove the original finish that was on them. Leaves you just kind of like a dirty stained aluminum basically. And then we go through and sandblast everything so it comes out like this. This just has some dust in this corner, but it's a lot better overall. It's got a nice finish, gives it something for the powder to bite to, nice and clean. So we'll get this masked off and hung up and start throwing some color at these. Alright, got these wheels all blasted. Gonna go around them now, check for curb rash. I know there's a couple spots on 2 of them. So get that sanded out and get them in the oven for outgassing. Wheels. Let them cool off a little bit more, and I'll be throwing Disco Lemon Drop, which is just like a gold flake in a clear, like a real big aggressive flake. So we'll get to that next.
I don't wanna hurt you, but I'm about to work you, watch your mouth drop real loud. I'm turning you up and burning the clutch, full speed, both feet to the floor, feet to the floor. DJ running it back once more, time to party, that's all I know. Grab somebody, tell them baby, 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 let's go. Now do the honey hey, now do the honey hey, now do the honey hey. 같이 때까지 모두 다 같이. Now do the honey hey, now do the honey hey, now do the honey hey. 같이 때까지 맨 다른 붕괴, feel the bass up. What you gon' do when they come for you? Comma, is gonna find you. What you gon' do, huh? Comma, is looking for you. What you gon' do when they come for you? Comma, is gonna find you. What you gon' do, huh? Boom, boom, feel the beat go. Boom, 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 feel the beat go. Boom, 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 feel the beat go. Boom, boom, feel the beat go. Boom.
Got the Disco Lemon Drop cured. You can kind of see the effect that it's creating. It's a really deep, crazy gold sparkle, gold on gold. Last coat I'm going to be putting on is Adam's Gold top coat. It's been clearly a favorite lately. And it's just a different gold flake. This particular flake doesn't lay super flat, so I'm going to end up putting another coat of clear on it just to make sure it's all nice and smooth and glossy, which is just another, like I said, another gold flake. So stoked to see how these come out. Set of wheels done. Anybody who knows me knows I love gold, so these wheels are pretty much perfect. It's gold on gold on gold. We'll close this video out with some more footage of these wheels so you can see the color in a little more depth, see how deep the flake is. Like, subscribe, comment, all those things. Got a few other projects started today, so expect to see that footage over the next few days. Putting a video out every other day seems to work out pretty well, so Let me know what you think of this color in the comments, or let me know if there's any colors you want to see me knock out, and I'll see what I can come up with.